are top 3 reasons people rinses their dishes. Number 1, people rinse because dishwasher won't get the hard stuff off. So, dishwasher doesn't clean. Number 2, people rinse because they're afraid of a food residue. So, dishwasher doesn't clean. Number 3, they rinse so they can leave them in there waiting for full load, trying to save money, power, and water. If you rinse and you touch that dish with a sponge, you added germs. If you rinse and you touch that dish with a rag, you added germs. The cake eater will wash them for half what would cost you to rinse them in the sink. Push the button. Half load, push the button. Glasses only, push the button. Just get a couple of plates, push the button. It's cheaper. If your dishwasher leaves any food residue, it's dish rinser. It can never eat the cake. This one takes the cake. Only Appliance Direct has a Whirlpool Gold Cake Eater, $388 in a box. Appliance Direct, I love appliances. Only Appliance Direct has $50 dishwasher is done. For $50, you get delivery, install, and haul away. Done. Appliance Direct, $50 dishwasher is done. Appliance Direct, I love appliances. Paying retail is a wacky